Have you ever wondered why some small business owners seem to navigate their monthly overhead and transaction fees without breaking a sweat, while others are constantly nickeled and dimed by their own bank? When I first started looking into Patriot Bank for my own business, I was trying to find that sweet spot, an account that wouldn't eat my margins but could still handle the daily volume of a growing operation. After sitting down and comparing their options, there are two main paths most of us will take, and the best one really comes down to how much cash you keep on hand and how many checks you're cutting. For most of you starting out or running a lean operation, the small business checking account is the clear winner. I chose this because the barrier to entry is low. You only need $500 to open it. The real value, though, is in the 200 free transactions you get every month. If you're a consultant or a boutique shop, 200 is plenty. If you go over that, it's 50 cents a pop, which can add up, so keep an eye on your volume. To avoid the $15 monthly fee, you'll want to keep an average daily balance of $2,500. It's a fair trade-off for the digital tools they give you, which I've found to be surprisingly snappy for a local-focused bank. Now, if you're running a high-volume business, maybe you're in retail or manufacturing where money is constantly moving, the standard business checking account is actually designed for you. It works differently. Instead of just dodging a fee, you get an earnings credit based on your balance. Essentially, the bank looks at the money you're holding and uses it to offset your transaction costs and maintenance fees. In my experience, if you're keeping a substantial float, this can effectively make your banking free even with a massive amount of monthly activity. One thing I didn't expect to appreciate as much as I do is their digital suite. Whether you're using the Connecticut-based Patriot Bank or the Patriot Federal Credit Union, the mobile deposit and bill pay tools are straightforward. You're not getting the flashiness of a massive national chain, but you're also not getting lost in their automated phone tree when you have a question. If you're looking for no fees and a high free transaction limit, up to $500 a month, and you happen to be in their credit union service area, their business checking is arguably the best starter account I've seen in the region. But for a traditional banking relationship with solid lending potential down the road, sticking with the small business checking on the bank side is the smarter long-term move. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.